Hi guys, I'm Trudy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do a comparison between occupational therapist and occupational therapy assistant. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Now, while OTRs and coders are both considered OT practitioners, the schooling and job responsibilities are not the same. In this video, I will compare both so you can better decide which you should pursue. OT stands for occupational therapist, while OTA stands for occupational therapy assistant. Whenever you see OT practitioner, it is referring to both OTRs and coders. Now, OTRs and coders work in the same settings. Some settings might favor OTRs over coders, for instance in hospitals, while others favor coders over OTRs, for instance in skilled nursing facilities. In terms of schooling, I will start with occupational therapy assistant or OTA. To be trained as an occupational therapy assistant, you're required to complete an associate's degree. Now, training usually takes 2 to 2.5 years to complete. An occupational therapist, on the other hand, requires a master's degree. In my last video, I gave more details on OT schooling. In addition, there are more schools for OTs than OTAs. Now let's talk certification. The National Board of Certification in Occupational Therapy, or NBCOT, is a certification body for occupational therapy professionals in the US. OTs and OTAs must pass the NBCOT exam before they can practice. Now, every state might have different guidelines. Upon passing the boards, OTs receive a R and are now called OTRs, while OTAs receive a C and are now called coders. Now, something important. Getting certified by NBCOT is not a license. You will still be required to complete a separate application to your respective state for licensure. Now let's talk about what OTRs and coders do. The roles and responsibilities of coders and OTRs are different. OTRs screen, evaluate, and treat, while coders' primary responsibility is to treat. Coders are able to assist with the evaluation process. However, the OTR is the one who interprets and analyzes the findings from the evaluation. Coders upgrade progress reports, and OTRs co-sign all notes completed by coders. In addition, if while treating the patient, the coder realizes that a goal might not be appropriate, the coder can communicate with the OTR and have him or her modify it. In addition, OTR supervise coders. All documentations must be co-signed by the OTR. Every state might have different supervision guidelines to follow. Something very important to note: OTRs and coders do a lot of collaboration in order to ensure the recipient of service gets the best treatment. Now let's talk about money. Now, the average salary, according to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, for an OTR is $80,000, while the average salary for a coder is $57,000. And in terms of cost, first and foremost, there are not a lot of schools for either OT or OTA when compared to other majors like nursing or psychology. If you get into a public school, of course it would be a lot cheaper, but to increase your chances, you want to apply to more than one schools. Now, some states might have only one OTA program and maybe 2 OT programs. Now, when trying to decide which you should pursue, you should take into consideration salary potential, cost to get the degree, and if you have prior student loan from a different degree. Something also important: as an OT practitioner, you must maintain continuing education units in order to maintain both your license and your certification from NBCOT. Now, each state might have different requirements for maintaining your license. To maintain certification from NBCOT, both OTRs and coders must maintain 36 units for each renewal cycle. So, should you pursue OT or OTA? Trying to decide which path to pursue might be different for each prospective applicant. Some things to consider is the cost of both programs. OTA programs are much cheaper than OT programs. If you have to take out a student loan, try to analyze if it's worth it. If you're thinking of pursuing a second degree, you need to take into consideration: do you have student loan from your previous degree? Make sure to volunteer and ask staff the questions and see if OT or OTA is the more sensible option for you. Now that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with someone who you think it might help. Also, click the notification button so you get notified every time I post a video. I post a new video every Sunday. Also, let me know in the comments if you're thinking of applying to OT or OTA school. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.